Good morning, y'all. My name is Trevor. Welcome back to the Arctic Vette YouTube channel. We've got the minivan behind us again. I want to say it was a 2004 Mercury Monterey. And today we're going to be doing brakes and rotors all the way around and tie rods on the front end. So let's roll that intro and dive right on in. Okay, so we're gonna start with the front rotors. First thing, we gotta pop this cap off, flathead screwdriver, and that will come out of there, nice and easy. Then I use a 19 millimeter, get the lug nuts off, pop tire out. But to do that, we've got her jacked up and jack stands. She is safe and secure. After we do that, we're going to remove the caliper itself. We need a 12 millimeter socket because there's a bolt right here I've already broke free. And then there's one right down here as well that I've already broke free. I'll take that off, set it aside. Okay, I've got the caliper loose. Back here on our lines though, I've popped this out of the little clamp holder and the one back here. And I'm going to pop this one out as well, and that will just free up our rotor, our caliper I mean, so now I can move it up, clamp it up out of the way. Bam, caliper secured out of the way. Next we're going to be getting the bolts off the back. Alright, so we're going to use an 18 millimeter here and on this one down here, and that breaks that free. That's going to take, I mean, our brake pads, you can pull them off right now, it'd be okay. Just set them aside. Ours are still brand new. We're gonna deglaze them and reuse them, but you may have some new ones. These things are really tight, so I'll get those off and they'll take off the bracket, caliper bracket. Alright, now we've got that off, got that set aside, and it's two bolts. Them are some big dogs. Now we're at the rotor part. I'm gonna go get a tool for that. I don't have a Torx bit that big. Alright, here we go. While we wait to get the tool, we're gonna start on the other side, get it to the same point. Let's make this process save a little bit of time, get a lot more done. Alright, so we've got 3 Torx bolts there. They are a T50 is what we used in a pry bar to get all 3 of them broke loose. Also, we might try some PB blasters, spray that on there because that will help. Alright, now we've got the old rotor off. I've got the new rotor in my lap. I'm just going to put it on there. Then we can put our Torx bolts back in. Alright, now we got that new rotor on there looking fine. And our Torx bolts all put back in. Next, we'll put on our brake caliper bracket. And then the caliper, and it'll be done. But right now we're going to switch over gears and do this tie rod. First we'll put our caliper bracket back on and put those bolts back in. Alright, so we got the bracket put on, got the caliper put on, bolts all, everything's all good to go. Now it's just time to put the tire on, the lugs on, cap on, and it's done. Alright, so now on the rear with the tire already off, we are ready to remove the caliper bracket, and then our rotor. It's going to be a little bit easier than the front because we don't have to deal with the Torx bits. That's going to be nice. Let's see if they're stuck. Let's get them off. First step, taking these guys off of there. Should be a 12 millimeter bolt. At least that's what I'm using. I need to take my extension off. Give me a second.
Can I take the tire off?
To get, oh yes, take the tire off over there. I got helper Lily over there doing that side. Take that tire off and just set it underneath.
You know, this guy over here holding it up with my foot.
So these 2 bolts are a 13 millimeter. Got those off. She's gonna do that side while I do this side. So we're gonna take off the brake rotor, the pads now. We'll have Arctic Mama sand those down. Hey, look at that. The flowers got delivered.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I didn't know we got flowers delivered.
I'll do this.
Alright, so the next thing is this bolt here, which is 18 millimeter, and the one down below. And I got those broke free. Now I just got to get them out, and that will remove our bracket here. Now that we've got that off, we can just take the old rotor off, and it can go. Adios amigos. Time for the new one in the box. Bam! New caliper on, looking great. Now let's just go ahead and put the bracket back on. Right down there, using those 18s. We'll be good to go. Next thing, put your brake pads on. After that, we'll take our caliper here and slide it back on. And then we'll get our bolts, put those in. Alright, to get to the tie rods, we're doing the rotors and all that too, but we're still right now. We're going to take off this tie rod, and we need to put on a new one because I don't know if y'all can see that boot, but it is smoked. It's done for. It's blown out. So right down here, what we're going to attempt first is to just try and loosen this all the way off. We may need to get the other wrench and do this differently, but we'll find out. Let's try it real quick. Alright, now we've got that off. Ours came off with just using a wrench and then loosening that. But now to get the tie rod itself out, we're going to use a rubber mallet, put the nut on there backwards with a few threads, and then we're just going to hit it right there until it comes out. Alright, so back here on the tie rod end, we had to get a 3/16 wrench on there, loosen this, and then we should be able to start spinning the end off just like that. Perfect. I did mark where this bolt needs to go. We'll still get an alignment afterwards, but this is a good start. Okay, now we've got the tie rod end off and the old nut. We're gonna just toss that aside because we got a nice new one that we're gonna screw in here. And the Sharpie mark I made is going to help us a ton. So let me get this screwed on, then we'll get the new one put on. Round 2. Okay, so I've tightened this already, but I had a mark for this. Since nothing's moved, as long as I get it lined up and get that pushed through here, we're going to be pretty close to where it needs to be, and then the alignment shop can do their thing. But I need to tighten that, and you just screw this on until it goes, until your tie rod end drops in. And then we'll get this bolt put in, put that on, and we'll be set. There we go. Now we got everything nice and tight on there. Alright, there we go. Now we're torquing them down. Well, Lily is. She's knocking it out. Look at that. Oh! So close. Anyways, if this video helped you out, don't forget to click the red subscribe button, smash that like button. We'll catch you in the next one. Have a great night. God bless y'all. The best way to end the night, the day after working on so many things. Nachos! Nachos! Ready to dive in? Let's thank Jesus and then dive in.